Sustainable imaging starts with circularity. It's a principle that guides how we extend the life of medical technology responsibly and efficiently. Let's follow a real-life example of how a CT system is renewed to serve patients once again. After completing its service life in Stockholm, this Revolution CT begins a new chapter. The system travels to our European repair center in Hungary, where it's reconditioned for a new life through our GoldSeal program. Once certified, the system continues its journey, this time to Italy, where it is enhanced by the Apex platform, an AI-powered next-generation CT solution with built-in upgradability. Now delivering greater power, precision, speed, and efficiency, this renewed system is ready to support a new generation of patients. It is a future-ready solution combining environmental responsibility and cutting-edge imaging technology. GoldSeal by GE Healthcare, contributing to a healthier, more sustainable future for all.